Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I made this look. If you want to see how I made this look, then continue watching. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be going in with the Morphe and the JamesCharles collaboration. Going in with this brush right here. It's from a Morphe set. With the color right here called No Beans. I'm going to be putting that on my lid. Tape right here so they can be a little sharp. Going in with the Y18 brush, I'm over right here called 10% off. And right over this color and blending it out. This brush right here is from a Morphe set called Code James. This one right here. I'll be blending it right on top of this color. And with the Morphe R37 brush right here, called to this one right here. Black. I'm gonna take off the tape really quick. I'm gonna be doing the same thing to the other eye, but I'm gonna be speeding through it. Starting off with my face, I'm going to be going in with the Baby Skin by Maybelline, and I'm going to be priming my face. Next with the Tarte Shape Tape foundation and the Makeup Revolution foundation. I'm going to be mixing them together and, you know, put now with the new beauty blender, I'm going to be blending it out. Okay, and next with the Maybelline concealer and the Makeup Revolution, I'm going to I'm going to be setting everywhere I put the concealer with the air spot and the RC May no color powder, and I'm going to be mixing them together. Taking the Revolution Photo Ready face powder, and I'm going to be Next, I'm going to be going in with the Wet n Wild contouring palette, and I'm just going to contour my face. I'm not going to do that. I'll do that one. Next, with my butter bronzer, I'm going to be bronzing up my face just a little. Next, with the City Color Be Matte Blush, I'm going to be going in with Fresh Melon right here on the side. Next, with the Morphe setting spray. Okay, going in with the color Face right here. Oh my god. Actually, I like this. Holy shit, holy shit. Okay. And just, I'm gonna take a nose. And so I'm gonna it as well. I'm gonna be going in with the color Face still. I'm done. My bad. Next, with the R41 brush from Morphe called B, this yellow color right here, and I'm going to be putting it on the inner corner of my eye. BH Cosmetics 104 brush. For lash line, I might be going in with the color Nubbings once again. With the color 10% off too. I might be going in with the color Tune and just blend out. I'm gonna be putting on some eyelashes. and they're from AliExpress in D111, and this is what they look like. I'm gonna be trimming them really quick. I'm gonna be honest, I am true. Tardy's Tarte mascara, and I'm just gonna be putting some on my bottom lashes really quick. And my lipsticks and the glosses and all that. I don't know what color to use with this look. This is hard to pick. I wanted to do this color right here by Kylie Cosmetics and Exposed, but then I don't know. Going in with the Live Glam and with number uno, but I honestly don't know if this will look good with the look, so. And I have some contacts on. They're from ISO Poppin', and they're in the color Jasmine. I have a code with them. If y'all would like to get some, I'll leave the link down below for y'all. And this is the finished look. Thank you for watching.